Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. iQOO has always focused on making high-performance gaming phones. We on Amazon Black Friday promo this season. We offer the best price and deal. Please support us. I will leave the link in the description. But it seems that iQOO realized it's not enough to just please gamers. So their phones have slowly changed from being biased towards gamers to more towards the normal person. This iQOO 12 Pro, instead of being a gaming phone, it's more like a regular phone that's better suited for gaming. It may be a bummer for gamers, but it does get better for more people. Design, this new look is much better than before. Unlike previous iQOO phones, its camera module has become much more rounded, making this phone a lot gentler. If the logo was blocked out, I would never have guessed this was a new iQOO phone. I would say this new design will get a lot of non-gamers' interest, and it's definitely one of the best upgrades to the iQOO 12 Pro. Camera. Normally we don't talk much about the camera on gaming phones, but this time it's different. 12 Pro's camera is already at a very good level. At least when we look at the specs, it's a bit better than the Xiaomi 14 Pro at the same price range. There are no well-known camera brands in this, but the color style is quite pleasing. The dynamic range of all three cameras is excellent, and there are no signs of over-sharpening. The iQOO 12 Pro is really handy when it comes to taking photos of food and pets. It's a huge improvement over its predecessor. Especially in macro mode, you can choose to use the ultra-wide camera to get close enough to take detailed photos. Or you can choose to take photos with a telephoto focusing distance of 15 centimeters. The benefit is of course that you can get a shallower depth of field. And I can't believe that iQOO phones can actually switch between 3 lenses in 4K recording one day. The camera system on this iQOO 12 Pro is totally good enough for most people. The front-facing camera still only records 1080p 30 frames per second video and doesn't have any image stabilization. If you zoom into 3x, it'll shoot the object with the main camera and then do some cropping, instead of shooting like the real telephoto camera. The Xiaomi 14, which clearly has a smaller sensor, can do that without any problem. The iQOO 12 Pro's screen gets the usual upgrade from Samsung's E6 panel to the E7. The biggest change is that the HDR window's maximum brightness has almost doubled. It's still 1440 Hz dimming at low brightness, but you can go to developer mode and change it to DC-like dimming mode. You never need to worry about the performance of an iQOO phone, as the 12 Pro uses Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 as expected. All the stats are in line with the normal 8 Gen 3 performance, which is great. The iQOO 12 Pro is no longer the 200W charging monster it once was, but you can't be too critical with 120W. 26 minutes to fill up should be more than most people need, and it has wireless charging, which is fantastic. One thing I really like about iQOO, their charger always with USB-C port and supports PD65W charging. I urge all brands to learn from it. Even the 12 Pro has a super large battery. It lasts about as long as any other phone if you play a lot of big games. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you.